Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to record the screen of your device. So there may be so many reasons why you may need to record the screen of your device, either a laptop or a desktop. Sometimes it can be to create an online video tutorial. Sometimes it may be to share with your client the progress of your work. Sometimes it may be to share with your friends your progress on the game. So whatever reason you may need to record your PC screen. Recording a PC screen is pretty simple and straightforward. But you need three things to get started. First, you need a PC recording software. So just open your browser and head over to Bandicam. So the link to download Bandicam is in the description below. So once you head over to bandicam.com/downloads, click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, it automatically begins to download. So after downloading, locate the folder that contains the downloaded file. So once you locate the folder that contains the downloaded file, double click on the file. So once you double click on the file, click on run. Once you click on run, click on OK. So once you click on OK, click on next. Then click on agree. Then click on next, and then click on install. So once you click on install, the file will automatically install. So once it's installed, a dialog box like this will come up. So that's the software you need to record a PC screen. So next you need a microphone. So there are different types of microphones, so I recommend to you, this is a type of microphone I'm currently using for this video. So I will recommend to you this microphone. Is a good microphone. So the link to get the microphone is in the description below. So you also need, in case you may need to record yourself with the video, that is in case you may need a web camera. Sometimes your laptop webcam may not produce a good result, so you may have to purchase a webcam. So the link to get this web camera is in the description below. So this webcam comes in with a built-in microphone, so you don't need a microphone once you buy this webcam, and it has noise filter. It records with a full HD. So there are a lot of advantages of using this webcam. You can record a super sharp video. So that's all you need to get started recording your PC screen. Then obviously you need a PC, the screen you want to record. So to get started, you install your Bandicam. So open the Bandicam. So once you open the Bandicam, the first thing you may need to know is get used to those tabs that are here. So we have the Home tab. So the Home tabs contains, this is the Home tab. So in the Home tab, you at this upper part here, at this upper left part, you can see here you need there are some options here. So here it allows you to select the area of the screen you want to record. You can go for a full screen, as you're recording the entire screen of your PC, or you may go for recording areas around your mouth and choose extension, the area extension. So I prefer to go to select a custom recording area. So just click on select a recording area. So once you click on select the recording area, as you can see, so you can begin to drag around the area you want to record. So begin to drag around the area. Alright, so once you've done dragging around the area you want to record, so drop it. So once you drop, the area has been automatically selected. So here you can see there are some buttons here. So we have the recording button. This is a button to add a webcam. This is a button to do some things like drawing, but we are still coming back to this. So next you can see this microphone icon. Come here, click on it. So here most times this will be unchecked, so check it. So when you check it, come here, select the microphone you want to use. So those are the devices that are installed on your computer, the audio devices that are installed on your computer. So select anyone you want to use. Alright, so you can adjust the volume, you can bring the volume down. I recommend putting the volume at its maximum. Alright, so here for a secondary audio device, so in case the first audio device failed you, you may need to also select a secondary audio device. Alright, so here take note, if you want to record the sound of your system, you may need to go for speaker instead of a microphone. Alright, so once you're done with that, head over to, you want to record with a webcam, that is, you want to record a video of yourself. So you may need to head over to the webcam tab. So once you head over to the webcam tab, here you need to click on add webcam overlay to video. So once you click on add webcam overlay to video, you can see it allows you to select the webcams on your video or of your PC. Sometimes it may be the built-in webcam, sometimes it may be extra additional web camera you bought that is, you attach to your computer. So select the web camera you want to use, that is, you want to record yourself. So once you select the web camera, then here the format, select the video format. So I recommend you leaving it at the auto dictate format. So once you select that, you can do a lot of other settings here. So here you may need to preview it, or you may need to uncheck this if you don't want the webcam to appear on the screen. So go to the settings tab. So here you don't need to do much. Sometimes we need to increase the brightness, but for me the default settings are okay. So go to the advanced tab here, click on the advanced. So here it allows you to do a lot of things. So it allows you to, you can see this is my webcam working here. So you can increase the size of this webcam. So you can increase the size, you can set the X and Y position. So this is the X position and this is the Y position. You can set the X and Y position, so you can, depending on where you want the web camera to appear. So assume this is your recording area. Those are your recording area. This is the camera, that is, this is a video of you. So you can select you can place it anywhere you want. So to place it at the bottom right, so just put the X position at 100. So the Y position also, it allows you to move it up and down. So to place it at the bottom, just select 100% for the Y position. Alright, so there are other options that you may want to use. Sometimes you may want to use a chroma key. A chroma just allows you to remove the background and replace it with another background. So you can just, if you want to use chroma, that is, if you want to change the background, just click on use chroma. So once you click on use chroma, click on select. It allows you to select the background you want to remove. Sometimes you may need to increase the similarity to clear out the background. So if you're in a bright area, I'm actually doing the recording at if you're in a bright area, if you're in bright area and you're using a green screen, for instance, removing the background may be pretty simple. So for me, I don't need the chroma, and I don't need, neither did I need the webcam. So just click on cancel. So go to the mouse. The next tab at the top is the mouse. So at the mouse tab, it allows you to do a lot of things with your mouse. So first, you need to ensure that the mouse of your computer shows. So click on show mouse cursor. So once you click on show mouse cursor, here you can increase the size of your mouse. You can decide to leave it at 100. You can increase it to 300. You can see the higher the size, the bigger the mouse becomes. So here you may decide to add mouse click effect. So adding mouse click effect allows you to increase the size area surrounding the mouse. You can see this yellowish area. Alright, so you can also add the mouse light color. So to add the mouse light color, just check the add mouse light effect. So this yellow is the mouse effect. So you can also increase the size of the yellow background. You can increase it to 300. You can reduce this to 90. So as you like, you can change the size of the mouse alert effect. You can change the color also, so you can change the color to something bluish. All right, so you can change the color. So here you can decide to make the sound of the mouse play either when you left click or right click. So if you leave both of them unchecked, that means whatever click you make, either right click or left click, the mouse sound will play. All right, so once you are done with the setting, so go to the logo. The logo tab allows you to create an overlay, a video overlay. For instance, if you check this, you can select the logo you want. You can select the logo you want. So once you select the logo you want, you can also add text overlay. You can add a text to it. So just check the text, and then a text will appear on the top. So there are other options you can make use of. You can change the quality of the recording and all of that. So once you're done with your setting, just click OK. So once you click OK, then to start recording, just head over to, you can see those tabs that are here. Just click on record. So once you click on record, it starts recording. So once it starts recording, you can see it has begun to record. And you can see the webcam showing. So once you begin to record, to draw on to make some illustrations, you can see this pen icon here. Just click on it. So once you click on the pen icon, there are a lot of tools we can use here. So here is the pen tool, here is the highlight tool, here is the line tool. So the pen tool allows you to write something. So just click on it and then left click, so you can begin to write whatever you like for this. So once you want to cancel whatever you've written, just click Ctrl Z, that is you undo. Just undo whatever you've written. So you can also use the highlight tool. The highlight tool allows you to highlight a particular to color over a particular area of the screen. So you want to undo that, also click on Ctrl Z or come to this left arrow here, this arrow facing the left here. So click on it. So you want to use the line tool. The line tool allows you to draw lines. Alright, so if you want to undo this also, you can click Ctrl Z to undo. So you can also change the color of those tools. So let's assume to use the arrow tool, let me change the color to something yellowish. Alright, so this is the arrow tool. So you can see, you can change the color to something yellowish. So to get out of this, you can also create, click on the undo. Alright, so we have the box tool that allows you to draw a box. Also, you can click on the box tool and select the colors also. Alright, to delete this, just click on undo. Alright, so you can add the numbering tool. You can add the text tool. The text tool allows you to create a text and type some things here. So just click on undo to undo this. Alright, so there are a lot of tools. You can use the eraser tool to erase and stop. So there are a lot of the eraser tools allows you to paint over something, probably even you painted over something. So there are a lot of tools you can actually use with this tool. So let's close this. So once you're done with your recording, it's pretty simple. Just head over to this red box here. So once you click on it, the recording will stop and it will be automatically saved. So to get your recording, just at this tab here, just click on the videos tab. So your recording is always the first one, so you can click on it and you can then play the recording. Okay, so that's our recording, and you can see this is the overlay. You can see there's an overlay here, so that is our recording, and then so that's what the recording we've just made. Alright, so that's all you need to get started recording your PC screen. So once you're done with the recording, you can locate the recording folder here by right click and then open output folder. So this will open the folder that contains your recording. So this is your recording, and you can then play your recording. Alright, so if you want to upload, say for instance you want to upload to YouTube, or you want to upload to Vimeo, just this upload tab here, just click on it and select if you want to upload to YouTube or not. Alright, so you can also edit this recording. So to click on edit, you may need Bandicoot. Bandicoot is an editing software that allows you to edit Bandicam recorded videos. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to edit, but Bandicoot is a software that does not come free. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to edit your recorded videos. Alright, so that's all you need to know for this recording. Thank you very much for your time. So the links to the software, to download the software, is in the description below. So also the links to the webcam and the microphone is also in the description below. Just click on them to get them appropriately. Alright, thank you very much for your time.